Welcome. In front of me is Xiaomi REDMI Pad 2, and in this video I will show you what to do if your face unlock feature doesn't recognize your face properly. So in such case you'll have to set up a new face model for your device. To do that, go to settings, select face data and screen lock, click on face unlock, then confirm using your password, and before you add a new face data, remove the previous one just to make sure everything works correctly, and also use a dry towel in order to wipe the surface of the frontal camera of your tablet so that you can see your face in it, and also make sure that the lights in your room are set up properly and are enough for you to add a new face data. And once you're ready, select start and proceed by adding a new face model. And once it's done, click done, then go back to the settings, and just to make sure everything works properly, go to about tablet and select update and check if your device has any updates to it. And if it does, go ahead and install them, clicking right here, just to make sure that all of your device's features work correctly. Let's wait for the device to install an update. And once the updates are ready to install, tap to reboot your device right here and click reboot now, and just wait for your tablet to restart. And once your tablet is restarted, enter your password, and let's check how the face unlock scanner reads our face now. So lock your device, and let's try to unlock it using our face. And as you can see, everything went smoothly. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.